So today out in the forge we're going to be working a little bit of wrought iron. These knives, a couple of them need wrought iron bolsters for the guard bolster area. So that's this little bit right up here. So we just need to size down some wrought iron material to be the right dimension for that, and should be a simple one today. So this is how I get the wrought iron. It comes in these old wagon tires. So these are the actual wear surface off of an old wagon wheel. The rims were made of wood. These are the tires, so kind of like a horseshoe. It's the wear surface. So it takes a little bit of work to get it to the size that you need, but it's a lot of fun to work with. So this is what wrought iron, like the actual material wrought iron, looks like after a little bit of an etch. You can see it has a grain to it, almost like wood. And this is from the wrought portion where they work the material down and then fold it up, weld it, fold it, and weld it to work out the impurities of the material. And in doing so, you wind up with this neat grain structure, which you can see it flows around the shape of the forging. So that's how you can tell the evidence of the forging process and not just ground to shape. So we're going to be trying to get a little bit of that for these bolster materials today. And just need to light the forge and off we go. So now that I've got it to dimension using the kiss blocks on the press, just to make sure it's nice and accurate, I need to fuller in a couple of kind of round indentations, and that's to get this shape right here, so that I can have the lines of the grain of the wrought iron flowing around that curve, which, like I said earlier, is one of the benefits of that wrought iron grain. Make it look real nice.